Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Stable Diffusion on your computer and generate unlimited images using AI. Please note that this will need a decent graphics card to run and needs around 8 GB of files to be downloaded. All links are in the description. Step 1. Download the necessary files. I suggest you have a separate folder for these files. The first one is Python. Go to the link in the description and download this specific version of Python. Other versions may not work. The next one is Git. Open the link in the description and download Git. The next one is Stable Diffusion Web UI by Automatic 1111. Go to the page, click on Code and then click Download Zip. The last one, we need a model for Stable Diffusion. Go to the link in the description and download the model. We are using Stable Diffusion 2 by Stability AI. There are plenty of models available on the website. You can download the one that suits your need. Step 2. Installation. Go to the folder where we have downloaded the files. 1. Open the Python setup file. Now, it is very important that you select Add to Path option. Then finish the installation. 2. Install Git. Now, extract the Stable Diffusion zip file here. There, open the webui.bat file. Based on your system settings, you may not see the .bat extension. In that case, just open the webui file. Now it will download the rest of the files that are necessary. This will happen only the first time you run it. This will take some time and also around 2.5 GB of space. Once it is done, close it. Next, copy the model file that we downloaded earlier. Go to the folder Models, then Stable Diffusion and paste it. Now, open WebUI again. It will load the model and give the URL to open the web UI. Copy the URL and minimize this window. It needs to stay open while you use the web UI. Now open the URL in a web browser. There you go, you have installed Stable Diffusion on your computer. When you try to generate images and nothing happens, check the command window in the background, it might tell you what went wrong. So here, it says to enable this option. Go into Settings, and Stable Diffusion, and select this and save. Now we can go back to Text to Image tab and start generating unlimited images. If you run into any problems during installation or using the software, let me know in the comments and I will try to help you. If this video helped you install Stable Diffusion, like and subscribe to Tech Talkies.